Hey guys, welcome to this video. Just got everything sandblasted. Came out just really nice. Everything is got that gray crystalline satin finish. There might be a few little marks on these. Are grab marks. I have a little bit of stuff on my fingers, but it's fine because I've got a sealing process. I'm going to seal this color in with all these parts, the sandblasting, and once it's sealed, it'll all be matching too. This is just fresh off the sandblasting, and this came out really nice. I went ahead and put the ring on there. There's a rubber O-ring that goes on top of this. You put your ring on first, and then that just stays like that. Once we batten everything down, that's going to seal. Perfect fit. You want threads. I try to tell this to guys I've seen. Of course, everybody's going to do what they want to do, but if you see threads on this and you don't have at least 5 or 6 threads, it's never going to keep out moisture. If you've got like a construction type threading or anything like that, what you have there is a display knife. It's never going to perform in the field. It's never going to hold out moisture. You've really just got a display knife, and that's really all you got. You have to have the tight threads to keep out the moisture. I didn't make up the laws of physics. I'm just telling you that that's what I know. So these came out really nice. Got my maker's mark there, 2025. I went ahead and stamped this one 02 because this was the second one of these AC25s I've made. So yeah, blade is just that's a straight razor blade profile. It's straight razor sharp. Warning to the buyer: be real careful. These things will get you with that kind of blade. Very pointy, straight razor sharp. I'm going to finish off the edge of that really nice. You guys, particularly all you guys, if you buy my knives, or anybody that has my knives, be sure to, I'll have the links below. If you want to see how I keep a knife razor sharp, keep it at the ready, how to learn a little quick, simple method to keeping your knife zeroed out at the ready, I'll have those links below. And that's what I recommend for all you guys that have my knives, because it'll work for anybody's knives, whatever knife you got, whether you got 15 or 20 degree or a straight razor, it works. You can use a stainless steel sharpening rod, or you can use an Arkansas stone, but you have to learn how to inspect your edges so you know what's going on those on that secondary cutting edge and that the zero edge. So all those videos I explain in detail of what I'm doing. So I appreciate you stopping by. I'm going to finish this out. We got to get all this steel reinforced cold weld. I've got a mechanical hold here, titanium pin ready to go, and this thing is going to be the strongest hollow handle survival knife spike system on the planet. What's up guys, Snowman. Just thought I'd break down my AC25 here for you really quickly. Hope you guys are doing outstanding today. This is the AC25 model. This one has a 6 3/4 inch blade. I just finished one with a 7-inch blade, so I'm going to run these anywhere between 6 1/4 to 7 inches. They'll vary on different blade lengths. We've got 6.8 millimeter thick 80 Sierra V2 steel. Tangs from the shoulders, 2 1/4 inches. You still got room for your Ferris rod, some fishing irons, and things of that nature. Strongest on the planet. They index really nice. They're more balanced because you've got the longer tang. Engineering wise, there's no difference in strength from a 2 1/4 inch tang compared to a 5-inch tang. We've went way past, from the shoulders, that 1 inch, first 1 inch, the critical stress points, we went way past that. And we taper, here's the M24. I want you guys to look at our tang compared to their tang. Okay? There's the difference. Big difference. These are also on the Buckmaster 184s. This one is a Japanese variant. They come off the shoulders a little bit, but you still got the penciled bolt on the screw pencil tang with a bolt system, and under extreme stress this knife is not going to hold up. There's a story on one of my videos a few videos back of a gentleman that left a comment of a real life incident of a person that had a Buckmaster 184. They fell off the side of a cliff. Go read it. It's a testimony. The knife failed them. Ours are going to be the strongest. Got a mechanical hold. There's going to be a titanium pin go through this tang, perpendicular, liquid cold welded with 5,000 psi. So you get the mechanical hold, you got the epoxy hold. We taper up to the shoulders, 3/4 inches here. They actually go wider as you go to the shoulders. So here's our tangs, 6.8 millimeters thick, over 3/4 inches wide, 6.8 millimeters thick, 2 1/4 inches long. That's what you get with the Snow-Tac hollow handle survival knife. 80 CRV2 tool steel. This one's still got to be cleaned up. I'm working on 3 M24s right now. The guards are a little bit wider now, and I'm making sure that those shoulders are going to set down flush. We've got no gaps in between the shoulder blades and the guard. I will absolutely get my jeweler's glasses in on these, getting those perfect. This one has the counter sawback serrations. I'm going to start adding those on some of the M24s. Alright guys, appreciate you stopping by. I'll catch you on the next one.